Hello everyone and welcome back to your channel, and if you are new here then don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that bell icon so you don't miss out any update from us. I'm Shruti and today we are going to talk about a real estate application, specifically the business model of a real estate application. So if you want to know that how an overall real estate application business runs, how they generate revenue, what are the key resources, what are the key activities, then stick around because today we are really going to have important tips of business model of real estate application, and you are going to learn a lot from this video. So let's get started. So my friends, Indian real estate application has witnessed a significant increase and significant growth in recent years, especially after 99 acres and more applications like this. And you're talking about the data, then there are over 100 real estate applications in India with combined users 10 millions overall. And you're talking more about the data, then by 2025 this is estimated that every year we are going to see 20% of growth in real estate applications. The market is huge and there's a huge opportunity for new applications too, because increasing use of smartphone is there. Now people want affordable solution, plus they want a platform where they can see streamlined business, they can see each and every property and with good transaction process. So here now let's see the key components of business model of a successful real estate application one by one. First is a revenue stream. So here real estate applications can earn and generate revenue from different ways. They can offer premium listings where the agents or the property owner will pay you so that you can feature them in the top of the property listings. Then you can also generate from selling advertisement space, for example banner ads or sponsor ads, sponsor content. At top of that, you can also charge the agents for each and every successful deal from your application. You can also have transaction fees for every successful deal from your application. So there are various ways, and there are some applications which provide extra services like financial products, legal help or any other such services, and they charge extra commission fees for each of this service. So here you can also charge this kind of services, and you can also add these features so that you can earn more revenue from your own real estate application. Next is key activities. So real estate applications mainly focus on these 5 key activities: attracting new users through social media and marketing, keeping them engaged by providing them seamless experience, creating high quality content involving property listing, expert advice for their users, here building and maintaining robust application platform, and collaborating with more real estate agents and the developers so that they can offer more to their users. Having these activities in your business and in your application will help you and your business to stand out and to stay updated for your users. And finally, we have key resources. So to operate successfully, a real estate application rely on a few key resources. They need a strong technology infrastructure to make sure that everything runs smoothly and efficiently. Plus, they also need a comprehensive database filled with accurate property listing and users data so that they can offer relevant information to their users. Additionally, these applications depend upon skilled developers, designers and customer support staff so that they can maintain, build and improve their platform. And finally, a trusted brand reputation is very crucial, because here then the users will trust you more and will trust your application, so they'll use your application more. So there you have it, friends, a real estate application's business model in a nutshell. So if you seriously want to build a successful application or any other application rather than real estate application, feel free to connect to us, because here in our company we have helped our countless clients to turn their dream application to reality, and now they are generating a huge amount of revenue. So if you seriously want to contact to us, our contact number is given in the description box. That's it for today's video, and if you like this video then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and for further information you can also visit our website which is linked in the description. Thank you.